Today I'll be explaining you the poem My Mother at 66. Now the poem written by Kamala Das, and she deals with a beautiful, sensitive, bold approach to her mother. Now she talks about her mother, and the poem is based on a mother-daughter relationship, and the poet shares her feelings for her mother. It's a touching poem by an Indian poet. Once the poet went to visit her mother. She was on her way back to the airport to return to Cochin. She looked at her mother, who was seated beside her. Her mother had dozed off to sleep, and her aging face is compared to ash. Her mouth was open, and she resembled that of a dead body. The poet felt pain and sympathy for her because the mother needed love, the mother needed care, and the mother needed affection. Just to remove that sadness, the poet looks out of the window. And when she looks out, she finds a contrast scene. And what is it? It's the young trees, the children playing. The scene is just the contrast that is in the car. Little children were running out of the house into the playgrounds. And these things are just a contrast to the aging face of her mother. The poet uses personification, it's a literary device, where the young trees are personified, and it signifies energy, life, and happiness. As she reached the airport, the poet had to go on for her security check, and she looked at her mother, who appeared weak and pale, just like the moon. And here you have another literary device that is used, and that is that of a simile. Her face is compared to a moon. Why? Because in winter, the moon is covered by fog, the moon is covered by mist, and the ray is gentle. The moon signifies the end of the day. So also it signified her mother's end of life. She had a feeling of childhood fear. And what was that fear? The fear was that what will happen if the mother is dead? That fear seems to come back to her again. And now she does not express that feelings. She smiled and she said she wished to meet again. So she ends the poem on an optimistic note. Optimistic means on a positive note, knowing the fact that the mother is old, knowing the reality that she is going to die, but yet the poet ends it on an optimistic note. So here, as we come to an end of the poem, you have different literary device used. One is the metaphor, the other is simile. Children are compared to life, compared to energy. The moon, the pale moon, is compared to the pale face of the mother. Thank you.